Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Dignity Trust Commitment Present BCN Top News. This is Onika Tahsin Pushpo and I am with you all the time. Coronavirus has killed 17 more people in the country. The death toll in the country stands at 12,458. In the last 24 hours, 1,496 people have been infected with corona in the country. The total number of corona victims in the country so far stands at 7,93,693 people. Cyclone Yash has started along with corona. The country has become paralyzed due to Cyclone Yash. In the meantime, there is going to be a total lunar eclipse. This time there is going to be a completely different type of lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse will see three forms in one limb. The Ministry of Education has extended the leave in educational institutions by another point due to the global epidemic coronavirus. It is learned that this holiday has been extended till June 12. Education Minister Deepu Moni made the remarks at a virtual press conference on Wednesday. Awami League General Secretary and Minister for Road Transport and Bridges, Obaidul Kadir, said there was still indifference in hygiene and wearing of masks. It is important for everyone to be aware at this moment. He has called upon all to follow the hygiene rules again to prevent corona infection. He further said that black fungus has become a cause of new panic and concern in the country. Recently, there have been allegations that the Facebook account of senior reporter of Prothom Alo, journalist Rosina Islam, has been hacked. Rosina Islam can no longer access her Facebook account. So, Rosina Islam's husband Monirul Islam Mitu has said that he and his family will not be responsible for any status. In order to deal with the possible damage caused by Cyclone Yash, 286 medical teams have been prepared in the city and Upazila under the initiative of Chittagong Civil Surgeon's Office. In addition, a control room has been opened to monitor all medical matters. Chittagong Civil Surgeon confirmed the matter on Wednesday at 10 a.m. As a result of the implementation of Digital Bangladesh, the GDP of Bangladesh has surpassed not only India or Pakistan but also China, said Shojib Ahmed Wazir Joy, Information and Technology Advisor to Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. He made the remarks at a virtual event seminar on Tuesday. The first meeting between US President Joe Biden and Russian President Vladimir Putin will be held on June 16 in Geneva, Switzerland. The meeting was announced on Tuesday by the White House and the Kremlin. This will be the first meeting between the two leaders since Biden took office in January. Suhana is the daughter of Bollywood King Shah Rukh Khan. Recently, she celebrated her 21st birthday. In the meantime, she got a marriage proposal. Her picture often goes viral on social media. Gauri Khan posted a picture on the microblogging site Twitter on the occasion of her birthday. There, someone proposed to marry her daughter. However, neither Gauri or Shah Rukh responded to the tweet. The severity of the second wave of epidemic coronavirus is increasing day by day. It is prevalent in all workplaces. The playground was not left out either. But despite all the obstacles, the cricketers came on the field. Mushfiqur Rahim, who is in great form with the bat, touched the best ranking of his career. The wicket-keeper batsman has risen to 14th position. Dear viewers, you have been listening to BCN Top News for so long. For more details, please visit www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to BCN channel for more updates. Thank you.